In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickFunnels with GetResponse. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Right off the bat, let's talk about what you'll need to get started. First, make sure you have active accounts on both ClickFunnels and GetResponse. If you don't have those accounts yet, take a moment to set them up. They both offer various features that can really boost your marketing efforts, so it's definitely worth having them. With that out of the way, let's dive into the integration process. We'll take it step by step, so even if you are new to these platforms, you'll be able to follow along easily. First things first, log into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're inside, head over to the dashboard. You'll want to find the account settings option. You can typically find this in the lower left corner of the screen. Click on that, and it will take you to a new page filled with various options. Now, don't worry if it seems a bit overwhelming at first. This is all part of making your funnels work better with your email marketing. On the Account Settings page, look for the Integrations tab. You'll want to click that. This is where all the magic starts to happen. Once you're looking at the integrations, you'll see an option to add a new integration. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be greeted with a list of various email marketing platforms that ClickFunnels can connect to. And yes, GetResponse is one of them. Look for GetResponse in that list. After you've found GetResponse, click on it. This will prompt you to fill in a few details to connect the two systems. ClickFunnels requires your GetResponse API key to establish this connection. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through finding that key. Now let's switch gears and log into your GetResponse account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon, typically located in the top right corner. Click on that and you'll see a drop-down menu. Here, select API. This will take you to the API section. In the API section, you'll find your key. If you don't see one right away, you may need to generate a new API key. Simply follow the prompts provided by GetResponse to create a new key. It's straightforward, just a few clicks and you'll have it. Once you have your API key, it's time to go back to ClickFunnels. Paste the API key into the required field. There may be an option asking you to name this integration, which can help you keep track of your connections if you have multiple. Go ahead and name it something recognizable, like GetResponse Integration. After you've filled out those fields, click the button to connect or save the integration. If everything is correct, you should see a message confirming that your integration was successful. This is an exhilarating moment, and it opens up a world of possibilities for your marketing funnel. So now that ClickFunnels and GetResponse are integrated, what happens next? Well, you can create an email list in GetResponse and link it directly to your ClickFunnels pages. This means anytime someone opts into your funnel, their information goes straight to your GetResponse mailing list. To make that happen, go back to your ClickFunnels dashboard and select the funnel you want to work with. Once inside the funnel, choose the specific step or page where you want to collect leads. Inside the editor, look for the Settings gear icon. This is where we set up the integration for this specific page. In the settings for that page, under Email Integration, you should now see GetResponse as an option. Select it, and you'll be prompted to choose which email list you want new leads to be added to. Select your desired list, and you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully integrated ClickFunnels with GetResponse. From here, you can begin to harness the power of both platforms, improving your marketing strategy significantly. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for tuning in and happy funnel building.